Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, we are going to start today Unit 3. We have already started. Today we will do page number 66 and 67, that is related to bones and muscles. Now today what we will find it out that what are the different types of bones we will have in our body, and what are the different types of muscles which we have in our body, and how these bones and muscles of our body help us to do different work. See, this you all are aware of it, that every human being is having 206 bones. 206 bones. But at the time of birth we have more than 300 bones, or about 300 bones. But when we grow up, these smaller bones fuse itself, and now when we will well off, then we have total number of 206 bones. So children, let's start learning about bones and muscles from page number 66. Now, and here we have a quick quiz also that is related to bones and muscles. So now the first thing is there are three kinds of bones. There are three kinds of bones: long bones, short bones and flat bones. Long bones, short bones and flat bones. So first of all, bones, and then how many kinds of bones were there? We have three kinds of bones. Three kinds of bones. What are these three kinds of bones? Number one, we have three kinds of bones in our body. Number one, long bone, long bones. Then number two, short bones. Number three, flat bones. Flat bones. So what we have done right now, that in our body we have three types of bone, three kinds of bone. First is long bone, second is short bone, and the third is flat bone. Our legs and arms have long bones. See, according to the length, our hand and legs have long bone. Our ankle and wrist, this is your wrist and ankle, has short bone, smaller bone, and ribs and shoulder have flat bone, so that it can be rotated, it can be moved in different form. These have ribs, means a cage which covered your lungs, so that ribs is also having flat bones. Where we are, long bones are there in our arm and leg, arms and legs. Short bone, ankles and wrist, ankle and wrist. And where do we find flat bones? Ribs and shoulder, ribs and shoulder, ribs and shoulder. So what we have seen first in bones? In bones we have seen that we have three kinds of bone: long bone, short bone and flat bone. Long bone basically we have in our arm, hand and leg. Short bone we have in our ankle and in wrist. Flat bone we have in our ribs and in our shoulder. Fine. Now, at birth, the human body has about 350 bones. At the time of birth, our body has more than 300 bones, I have told you. Now, we can see in your book that it is given that it is about 350 bones at the time of birth. By the time we become adult, some of our bones fuse together, means they will mix together, smaller bones will mix together and then a long bone will be formed, and we have 206 bones. Fine. So what is important in this, that our body has 206 bones. How many bones were there? 206 bones. So total number of bones in our body is, which you have to remember, total number of bones in our body is 206. When at the time of birth we have 350 bones, but by the time the smaller bones will fuse together and then a bigger or a long bone will be formed, and when we will become adult we have 206 bones in our body. Now the smallest bone in our body is found in your middle ear. Smallest bone is found in your middle ear, and the longest bone is the femur, which found in your thigh, which is also called thigh bone. Fine. Smallest bone we will find in where? In our ear. And longest bone we will found in thigh. Fine. Which is also called thigh bone in your leg. Smallest bone we will find in ear, and longest bone we will found in thigh. So longest bone we will find in our thigh. So that is very important. Now what we will do, that arrange the jumbled letter. Now we have a quick exercise here related to bones only, that we will do it in our book itself, and after doing this and then we will go to muscles. Now here you can find the answers from the help box, which is given on the same page. From that help box you can find out the answer. Now what is there? Number 1, the bony framework that gives shape to your body or shape to our body. That is what? That is, now here in this help box the words are scrambled. You have to unscramble those words and then you have to find the answer. First you have to unscramble that word and then you are supposed to find out the answer. So let's start that. Now what is that first one? The bony framework that gives shape to our body. You have to arrange the unscrambled word also. Bony framework which gives shape to our body. That is what? Bony framework that gives shape to our body. That is skeleton. Bony framework which gives shape to your body is what? That is skeleton. Now number 2, where two bones join together. That is what? That is joint. That is what? That is joint. J-O-I-N-T. Joint. J-O-I-N-T. Joint. Next is what? When bones crack or break, it is called a fracture. It is called number 3, that is fracture. when you will got any hurt in your bone, then that is called fracture, that we got a fracture. Fine. Number 4, the heart and lungs are protected by a bony cage. Heart and lungs are protected by a bony cage. That is what? That is called rib cage. That is called rib cage. Number 4 is called rib cage.
So kids, as you all have seen that we have done exercise from the book. Now let's revise bones again with the book. Now as you can see on the screen, there are 3 kinds of bones: long bones, short bones and flat bones. Long bones are present in our legs and arms. Our ankle and wrist have short bones. Ribs and shoulder have flat bones. Now there are 3 kinds of bones: long bones, short bones and flat bones. Long bones are present in our arms and legs. Ankle and wrist have short bones because they required a proper movement, and then ribs and shoulders have flat bones. As I told you earlier only that at the time of birth we have more than 300 bones, but by the time when we are growing adult, these all bones will fuse together and finally we will have only 206 bones in our body. So what is the total number of bones in our body? That is 206. Now the smallest bone in our body, is found in our middle ear. The smallest bone in our body is found in our middle ear, and the name of that bone is stirrup. The longest bone is called femur and it is present in our thigh. Fine, which is also called thigh bone. Now bony quiz we will do it. Now the bone framework that gives shape to our body. Now answers you are supposed to see from the help box, but there also the answers are what? Unscrambled. So you are supposed to scramble it also. That is jumbled and you will solve that. Now the bony framework that gives shape to our body, that is called skeleton. skeleton. Come to next, number 2, where 2 bones join together, that is called joint. joint. Now number 3, when bones crack or break, it is called a fracture. 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 Number 4, the heart and lungs are protected by a bony cage which is called rib cage. RIB, rib, CAGE, cage, rib cage. So with this we have completed our bones part of this chapter. Now we will move to muscles. So let's start that muscles part. So now muscles help us move every part of our body. Now if our body is only having bones, it will not allow as smooth movement as we will having with our muscles. So muscles help us to move every part of our body. Like we can walk, we can jump, we can run. Each activity was done with the help of muscles. Even all the expression which we were giving, like when we are smiling, that is also with the help of your facial muscles. So muscles help us to move every part of our body. They help us to walk, smile, and even wink also. Now there are more than 600 muscles in our body. That is very important that you have to find it out, that there are about more than 600 muscles in your body. Fine. Now muscles are only help you to move, walk, and you can show your expression, facial expression. You can smile, you can laugh with the help of all these muscles only. Muscles are present in different part of your body, and they will allow to do all the activity which is necessary for you all. So that is very important, that. And how many muscles you have in your body? Around 600 muscles, or more than 600 muscles are present in your body, and each muscle is associated with different kind of a function, means they help to do different kind of a things. Now when we are tense, see what impact will came on muscles. Whichever kind of a symptoms we have, or whichever kind of a conditions we have, अगर हम गुस्सा हैं, नाराज़ हैं, तब हमारे मसल्स पे या फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन पे क्या इम्पैक्ट आता है. और अगर हम टेंस हैं, टेंस मतलब मुझे किसी चीज़ की टेंशन हो रही है, देन द मसल्स बिकम टाइट. Our brain controls all our muscles and makes them work. अब हमारी बॉडी मसल इज टोटली कंट्रोल्ड बाय आवर ब्रेन. Brain will only impart the thing that you are supposed to do this thing, or you are not supposed to this thing. For example, if you are sitting and I'll bend my head, then my nerves will give signal to my brain that I have turned my head towards the right. Then what happened? मैं उसको सीधे कर लूँगी. ठीक है. So all these works were done by our brain. Brain will only impart the signal to different muscles in our body. Fine. कि उनको कैसे काम करना है. फाइन. अभी जैसे आपको कोई भी हैवी चीज़, ऑब्जेक्ट आपको उठाना है, तो आपका ब्रेन आपकी बॉडी को कंट्रोल करेगा, आपके हाथों को दे. ब्रेन विल ओनली प्रोवाइड द सिग्नल कि येस यू कैन, ऐसे दोनों तरफ से उसको पकड़ लो एंड देन यू कैन पिक इट अप. फाइन. समटाइम्स वॉट हैपन कि बहुत कुछ चीज़ें बहुत भारी होती है, हम उसमें हाथ ऐसे करते हैं एंड देन वी वोंट बी एबल टू पिक इट अप. हम उसको उठा नहीं पाते, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, ये बहुत भारी है. कहाँ से हमें पता लगा ये बहुत भारी है? बिकॉज हमारी मसल्स ने ट्राई टू डू इट, बट ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स द मसल. जब मसल से नहीं हुआ, देन ब्रेन nerves के through it understood that luggage is heavy and we cannot pick it up. Now, so when we are tense, our muscles become tight. Our brain controls all our muscles and make them work. It is very important. The smallest muscle is present in our ear. The smallest bone is also present in our middle ear. Remember that also. Where do the smallest bone is present? In our middle ear. Similarly, the smallest muscle is also present in our ear. Now the biggest muscle is present in the buttock. Our tongue has 8 different kind of muscles. Fine. Our tongue consists of 8 different kind of muscles. Now what is the benefit of those muscles? Because tongue is used to do a quite sensitive thing, that our tongue has to taste each and everything and categorize those taste also. So for categorization of those taste, our tongue requires different taste buds, and all those taste bud is a pair of different kind of muscles. So That's why only our tongue has eight different kinds of muscles. And the biggest muscle which is present in our body in the buttock, and smallest muscle which is present in our body is in our ear. Now what we have done, let's revise that muscles help us to move every part of our body. They help us walk, smile and even wink. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. When we are tense, our muscles become tight. When we are tense, our muscles become tight and our brain controls all our muscles and makes them work. Now next is what? The smallest muscle which is present in our ear and the biggest muscle which is present in the buttock, and our tongue consists of 8 different kinds of muscles because our tongue required to taste, our tongue required to taste different things. So our tongue required different kind of muscles. Now let's start muscle quiz. Read the clues and fill in the blank. Pick your answer from the help box. So let's see the help box also. Okay, now number 1, muscles of the heart have a special name. They are known as dash muscles. Now muscles of the heart. Heart is a quite sensitive part of our body, and the muscles which are associated with heart, they are known as cardiac. C-A-R-D-I-A-C. Cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscles is the correct answer, number 1. Now number 2, when you show off the muscles of your upper arm, when you show off the muscles of your upper arm, upper side of the arm, you are flexing your what? Which muscle? That is biceps. That is biceps. B-I-C-E-P-S. This first one, biceps. Now, number 3, the strongest muscles in our body are present in. The strongest muscles in our body are present in the, where it is present? Yes, it is present in the jaw. It is present in jaw of our body. Our jaw is having the strongest muscles of our body. Now number 4, when there is too much pressure on the muscles, it causes a, when there is too much pressure on the muscles, it causes a, correct, that is sprain. It causes sprain. Sprain means that muscle will become stiff and it will not allow a quick movement. That kind of a condition is called sprain. Now, so we have completed this help box, this muscle quiz also. Let's revise once again. Number 1, muscles of the heart have a special name. They are known as dash muscles. What is that dash? That is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Now number 2, when you show off the muscles of your upper arm, you are flexing your what? Biceps. Biceps. And if you are going to show that lower arm, then what is the name of that? Triceps. The name of that will be triceps. Now, number 3, the strongest muscles in our body are present in the, yes, It is present in our jaw. It is present in our jaw, the strongest muscle. Now number 4, when there is too much pressure on the muscle, it causes a sprain. Fine? It causes a sprain, and sprain is kind of a condition that when our muscles does not work easily, फिर that kind of a condition is called sprain. If somebody, अभी क्या हुआ कि too much pressure, for example मैंने अभी आपको बोला कि आपको कोई भी heavy box बोल दिया उठाने के लिए, and you are picking up that box but you won't be able to, but for example आपने कैसे भी करके उसको मुश्किल से उठा लिया तो क्या हुआ, उठाने के बाद your muscles are getting pressure, आपकी मसल्स के ऊपर प्रेशर आ रहा है, and then that sprain is occur in your that particular place of that muscles. Now it takes, this statement is also important, it takes 43 muscles to frown and only 17 muscles to smile. What do you do more often? Fine. It takes 43 muscles to frown and only 17 muscles to smile. Fine. Means what? आपको अगर रोना है, चिल्लाना है, for that it is taking 43 muscles to work. और अगर आपको smile करना है, then you require only 17 muscles. तो what do? You will smile or you will frown. आप रोएंगे या हंसेंगे? तो हंसने के लिए you required only 17 muscles and make your body working nicely, and for frowning you required 43 muscles, and using that 43 muscles and then you can cry. So what do? You will smile. So with this we have completed our this chapter. So quickly we are going to revise muscles again, because bones we have revised 2-3 times, and now we will revise muscles. Now muscles help us to move every part of our body. If we do not have muscles, can we move our every part of our body without any flexibility will not be there if you do not have muscles. If you want to move your bone, you required muscles which will help you to move easily. So they help us to walk, smile, and even wink. Wink means blinking of your eyes is also. All these things, a smaller task of your body is done with the help of these muscles only. Now in your body you have more than 600 muscles. More than 600 muscles in your body, and when you will feel a kind of a pressure in your body, then you will be caused a sprain, which we just seen right now. And muscles of your heart is called cardiac muscles, that also we have seen. Upper arm muscle is called biceps. Fine. Now what is next? Now muscles allow us to move every part of our body. Our body consists of more than 600 muscles. Now when we are tense, our muscles becomes tight, and our brain controls all our muscles and makes them work. Now when we are tense, our muscles become tight, and our brain controls all our muscles and makes them work. Now what is next? The smallest muscle which is present in our ear, the biggest muscle is present in the buttock, and in our tongue we have 8 different kinds of muscles. This is very important, that the smallest muscle which is present in our ear, the biggest muscle which is present in buttock, and in our tongue consists of 8 different kinds of muscles because our tongue is used to taste different kind of a things, and it has to identify different taste. So for that, our tongue is having different taste bud, and that taste buds consist of different muscles. So that's why only our tongue is consisting of 8 different kinds of muscles. Now after that we have done this muscle quiz. Read the clues and fill in the blank. Let's revise it quickly. Number 1, muscles of the heart have a special name. They are known as cardiac muscles. They are known as cardiac muscle. So now what next? When you show off the muscles of your upper arm, that is called biceps. The strongest muscle in our body are present in the jaw. Now when there is too much pressure on the muscles, it causes a sprain. So here we are going to finish our class. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.